Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Recently, many iOS users have reported that their iPhones are unable to check for iOS 18 updates. The download process takes a long time, it cannot reach the server and gets stuck on the update screen. Therefore, in this video we'll fix the iPhone stuck on the checking for update screen, and we hope that the solution that we'll share with you today can help you to solve this issue easily and effortlessly. Let's get started. If you still ponder the question how to fix the issue if you can't and unable check for updates on your iPhone, well, don't fret. In case if you don't know any other common methods, then you can try to guide recommended by AnyFix utility, the iOS system recovery tool. This software is a one-step solution to fix various iOS, iPadOS, tvOS, iTunes or Finder issues in just a few clicks in minutes. For example, it can get your Apple device back to normal functioning even without data loss. As a powerful iOS system recovery tool, AnyFix encompasses a variety of options and repair instruments that can help you to solve any iOS issues, errors, and bugs within just a few really simple steps. The utility can fix more than 150 iPhone problems, and 3 repair modes are provided to choose from based on the specific problem. AnyFix makes every effort to ensure that you can fix unable to verify update iOS 18 issue with the highest success rate. More than that, it's compatible with almost all iOS models and all iOS versions, including the latest iPhone 16 series and iOS 18 firmware. What's more, it can solve more than 200 iTunes errors with a simple clicks. And now let us show you how it actually works in real-life situation. First and foremost, simply download and install AnyFix on your computer for free via the link in the description. Then launch the utility on your computer and choose System Repair option. Next, connect your iPhone to the computer via USB or Type-C cable and choose Update Issues. Find and click on Start Now button. Now in the pop-up dialog window, you need to select a mode to start repairing process according to your problem. And it's worth noticing that the standard repair mode is capable for fixing the most issues without data loss on your device. Hence, you can tap on Standard Repair button to continue the process. Next, AnyFix will recognize your iPhone and you need to tap on the Download button to get a matching firmware right for your device. Once the suitable version for your iPhone is downloaded, you can tap on Fix Now option to continue. Then you need to put your iPhone into recovery mode according to the instructions that will be displayed right on the screen of your computer. Once your iPhone entered recovery mode successfully, AnyFix will start repairing process automatically. Please wait patiently till the whole procedure will be completed. Afterwards, your iPhone will restart automatically and upgrade it to the latest iOS 18 version. Well, it's just so simple as that. For the second option, we'll try to restart our iPhone using the default combination of buttons. Basically, restarting your iPhone is a simple solution that you can try in order to fix your gadget if the smartphone can check for updates or any other issue is occurred. For that, press and hold the side button and either volume button until you see the power off slider. Then drag the slider to the right to turn off your iPhone. Then wait for a few seconds and afterwards press and hold the side power button again to turn it back on. Surely this method doesn't fundamentally solve the iPhone problem at all. In case if your internet connection is unstable, it can also cause iPhone iOS 18 update failure, so make sure that your internet connection is smooth and uninterrupted. For that, open the default settings app right in your iPhone. Then tap on Wi-Fi page and make sure that this feature is turned on. Here, please check the Wi-Fi connection you are connected to and please make sure that the signal strength is quite sufficient. Of course, you can also try switching to cellular data, but in this case that may cost you a fortune. For the fourth method, if you tried the previous tip and your iPhone still won't check for updates, resetting your network settings may help to solve the issue. For that, go back to your default settings app, then hit to General, scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone menu. Here tap on Reset page and select Reset Network Settings. Afterwards, come back to Software Update menu and check whether your iPhone can find for updates. It's also important to check whether all Apple services are working properly, because the main issues can be caused not by your own device, because Apple services are down. For that, visit the official Apple System status page via the link that is provided in our description. If the server status is yellow, it means that there are some issues with the servers, and that's why the update is not showing up. You can contact Apple support, but in this case you will be asked to wait for some time until the servers are active again. However, if the status symbol is green, everything is good with the servers. You have to check if there is other issues that could be causing the problem, and then we recommend you to use AnyFix utility. Sometimes when there is not enough space on your iPhone, it's really hard to download and install the latest update. This will prevent your device from checking for updates to iOS 18, and you will have to delete some apps or data from your device to make room for the update. You don't have to fret about your data, as it will remain saved during the after update process. That's why please delete some of the apps and then check again if the latest firmware shows up in the settings. However, the issue maybe isn't for your iPhone, but for iOS 18 profile that you have downloaded recently. In this case, you might want to delete this profile and reinstall it in order to get the latest iOS version on your device. For that, go to Default Settings app, then hit to General, and then tap on the downloaded profile, and you need to tap on Delete Profile feature to remove it. Now you can reinstall the iOS 18 profile on your iPhone and enjoy the latest firmware for your smartphone. The final tip explains how to check for iOS updates using iTunes or Finder. However, there is a risk of data loss when updating via iTunes or Finder, so we proceed with caution. Simply launch iTunes or Finder on your computer and connect your iPhone to it via USB or Type-C cable. Here, wait for a few seconds till the utility recognizes your iPhone. In the pop-up dialog window, click on the iPhone icon on the left sidebar and tap on Summary option. If there is any available update for your device, iTunes or Finder will display the details of the iOS 18 update. Review the information carefully to make sure it's correct version that you wish to install. Then follow on the screen instructions to install the latest firmware. And here we go, just so simple as that. Hope that all the tips were kinda useful. Don't forget to subscribe on our channel, give this review a thumbs up and share it with your friends on the social nets. Thanks for watching guys, and see you soon. Peace.